Ser o no ser, or to be or not to be. That's what Hamlet said, right? So, what is ser? Here it is, pop grammar from Fluency Today. Ser, it's a verb, that is, an action. Yo soy un hombre. It's a sentence that describes me. So ser, it's used to describe anything. Here, describe this. El hombre es inteligente. But if I talk to you, I say, eres inteligente. And from your point of view would be, soy inteligente. Now, let's add more words to describe or adjectives to this game. Soy pequeño, that's physical. Soy introvertido, that's personality. Soy de Venezuela, that's my origin. Soy un profesor, that's my job. Now, look for the words that describe your physique, personality, origin, occupation, and answer the question with ser. Yo soy. If you like this content, remember to follow me and leave in the comments what words would you use to describe yourself.